Imagine not liking me and I'm literally just a mom.
Welcome back, y'all. Currently I am with my family in Dallas. It is the Father's Day weekend. Tomorrow is Father's Day, and you know, it's just me and my mom. So I'm just gonna take you guys on our little ride out here in Dallas. My family came down here, and you know, we just finna, you know, see what it's about. Originally, a lot of my family live out here anyway, but I decided to, you know, join the wave. But you know, my mom and my brother and my sister, they all live out in Houston, so they just came out. We actually had an event, a very important event. Family was very important, so they're out here. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so we made it to the mall. Say hey, sister. Wow. So yeah, we're at the mall. Let's see what it's talking about.
I was going to say, actually, I was going to say no to biddies. Because now she
Where's she come on nerves? Yeah, it's nice.
You being a big girl today?
Oh Lord. Okay. Buy your tea.
Oh God, I'm so little.
Let me see.
I like these.
Yeah, them.
It's also associated with your credit card if you have to do a return.
Yo, we at Rose. Hey, sister. Hey, brother. We at Rose. We getting our little. No, I'm getting 8 on. Hold on. Do y'all see this? Yeah, she tired. That's what she fussing. Say hi, baby. You see a little alligator? Just don't get in the front, mother. I don't need her screaming and shit, please. Do not scare my baby.
You probably don't even know what that is. Hey! You got a Rainforest Cafe. Let me find a little hat so I can put on your mouth.
No, for real. I'm sorry, I'm ready. Aww. You like the fish, baby? You like the fishies, mama?
Look at me now. No, you can't get them out.
One of the best-known tribes in Africa is the Pygmies. They are small people, rarely over 4 feet
That is
tall.
freaky.
Termites and caterpillars for food. The women collect nuts, roots, and wild mushrooms.
Rawr. Let me have all the kisses. Got a nonchalant baby? I don't know. No. No, ma'am. We ain't real good at your po-po. Oh, that little jungle music. Oh yeah, you right. That would be good to do for Father's Day, you know, if her daddy was. Anyway, so no, it's playing. No, this is cool. Hold on. Okay, footage. Rainforest Cafe, low key lit. When they do that, Izzy, they're actually eating. Some of them eat like that. Gigi, don't catch his fade. Every time you trying to scare my child. Stop it. Why you do that? That's not funny.
She didn't like
You will never watch her by yourself. Up here.
You gotta get out more. Take a picture.
Nah.
Take a picture. Say cheese.
Alright, y'all, we're about to go into Q. That's my store right here. Okay. Oh yeah. It's a cute store, for real. Q be having it.
No.
It depends. Yeah.
The plus size.
Oh, this plus size?
Yeah.
Boring, huh? Oh, they got like a skirt combo with this. These shirts is cute though. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna put on my pink shirt. I haven't worn this one in a hot minute. Like at all. I think it's cute. Right now guys, I'm in a perfectionism type of streak right now where I feel like everything has to be perfect. And right now I feel like I should just pray to God about it, because not everything in life is going to be perfect. And I feel like I'm just gonna have to keep reminding myself that, because so for Mama's hair, I'm just gonna put it in a cute little updo and do a cute bow. Now I'm wearing pink, so she should wear pink too. I have these cute shorts for her, and then I think I should just pair it with her Nike, and then like a cute little, and then her hair done. Like that's it. Like that's how I feel like it should be. I did my nails, y'all. The Gel X. I think they're so fire. Like they're cute. Like Gel X is so. It's like some gray, some white. This is tea, y'all. This is definitely tea. Like what? Anyways, so I'm just gonna do Mama's hair. I got her coconut oil. I got brush, baby brush, and rat tail. And we're just gonna do a bun. We're just gonna do something real simple, real cute, whatever the case is. I don't know who gave me this for my baby shower, but they're definitely goated. Like what? This is so cute.
Trickle on all the leaves. I've Felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. And every day, always on my head high, my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Something like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am.
I finally got my glasses as well, y'all. This is the OOTD. This is me and mommy. This is our outfits. Yeah, so we finna go and whatnot. Mama done took her damn shoes off. What's going on? Mama, look, Jesus. You don't want to look pretty? You do look pretty. She's hungry, I'm assuming. But yeah, y'all. Mama and I finna head out, finna go around town.
Bring it around town. Bring it around town.
On some smell good. And yeah. We rolling out.
And then I want to get.
I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to. Okay, guys, we made it. The place is called Kid to Kid. We're gonna be getting Mama a high chair.
Something smells good.
It's probably that barbecue place.
Where?
The one.
Yeah, y'all. So yeah, let's go in.
Let's go to the back.
Got lots of stuff, y'all. Some cutesy patootie stuff. Yes. Got some pizza.
Oh, some sandals.
Oh, they have these, baby. Look.
It's not too hot for socks.
Yeah.
Cause she's not wearing her sandals.
Yeah.
She's not wearing her sandals. These is cute though. These like new.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Where's she looking?
Says all kind of little voices for the little stinker.
What? How she look?
Girl.
Was she just staring at you? She trying to understand what you're saying, Mimi.
Oh, okay.
Should we get her a little chair? This is so cute. Look at that little chair right there. Oh, I thought it was plushy. Never mind.
Oh.
Okay, look, the Greco. We have something like that. I gave that to Luke there. I wonder if you could change it out, but it's like leather. Like,
But it's easier to clean and keep clean.
Bubba. Oh, I had something like this. Oh, this is a nice little crib. This is nice.
Girl, she gonna be done crawled out.
No, I was just
No, I'm not. You know what I'm saying? She gonna stand up and be trying to get over the top.
And put she don't need it no more.
Oh.
But I love Minnie Mouse Bouncer. Oh my gosh. Oh, they giving this away? No, somebody gonna be happy to have this. $189. What you got all this energy for, girl? You finna go to sleep in a little bit, and you know it. All right, y'all. We going to TJ Maxx. The Mimi is being picky. They got some good stuff. I might come back myself. Oh. All right. Put a little fit in. Y'all look how cute. Y'all look how Mama.
Athena, come on, let's see.
Come on, yeah, there you go, Mimi. See, smart. Your little feet. Oh my God, stop it. How much are these?
I get her.
She
But you think she gonna keep them on her feet?
Yeah, she better. They got the straps.
Look, she trying to kick it. Yeah, she trying to kick it.
901.
Yeah.
She could fit
Girl,
two.
now you know that's a shame. That would have been too cute. That's, girl.
Oh, those are so cute. Stop it. Mama, you don't like those. Nikes. Oh, they're not bad. They're kind of cute.
This is too cute.
That's
Because it'll go with a lot of
different
different.
clothes variety. It might look it might be a little tight though. Chocolate strawberries. That's so cute. I need to find you a strawberry one, Bubba. Yeah. Yeah. Like those, Mimi? Those pink ones?
Which one? These?
Yeah.
They're one.
Oh, they're one.
Yeah.
I say this, we get those ones and those twos right there. Because I need some. Where's she going with those?
And the leopard one?
Yeah, where's she going with those?
Now the gold ones are cute too.
Them alright.
Yeah.
Oh, look. Hold on. The flip flops.
Girl. Look at the jellies. The jellies.
The jelly willies.
Yes. So are we gonna get the jelly?
Yeah, we get this. These is
So
cute, Mimi.
which ones?
So
The
we can
jellies
switch
or
out.
this? Because she has the pink like this,
Yeah,
right?
we can switch them out.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see, big girl.
Put your feet in the jellies, girl. Put your feet in the jellies. Let's see. Oh, are they tight?
Wait, I'm trying to see.
They really ones?
It's
Her feet should
two.
just sleep in.
It should be a two.
Oh, girl, you fat-footed.
Not Gigi.
No, you got Gigi feet. Oh my gosh, she look like the little China dog. The little China dog. She like, Mama, don't show her feet. Girl, your foot is fat. Oh no. Her foot was screaming. Get me out. Oh, them cute, the little high tops. Oh, I love those. I love
It's
those.
a two, but look. Is it gonna work?
It's gonna fit better than the jelly.
Let's see. All right, big girl.
I'm just gonna put them on. See how they fit.
Okay. My girl putting on her.
Oh, see, they just slipped in. See, this is good. Perfect. Her foot right here.
Oh, okay.
So she can wear threes. Girl. See, she just, but you want it to be a little bigger so she could grow in them for real. But I like these.
Okay, we can get those.
And when you lace them in, they're gonna be tight.
Okay, so we
So.
can get those. This is just too flippin' cute.
Yes. This cutest, like. You too. That's adorable. Girl, you gotta sit down. Girl, you gotta sit down. We got you good.
Not even worth that hurt. P31, that's what you are. I see shining, girl, you like a star. You be on your grind, you working hard. You and your whip got your own car. Look at God, oh, he done brought you far. You so amazing, oh, don't get me started.
But now, where are you gonna store it? Because remember, we have to put the TV on the.
Yeah, but the
dresser.
TV's small. I could
But
just.
this is.
That stuff that I have up there, like the hair stuff, I could put in the closet, but the makeup and stuff, I like it to be out.
Okay, well, we can put it in this.
Y'all, I got this cute little nail color. I think it's cute. You know, I like my pink. We're at the HEB, y'all. We're gonna get some sweet treats. So we're gonna get some sweet treats, mamas. Sun is sunning, y'all. She getting tired. You getting tired? You getting tired? Mama. It's the mama. It's the mama. All the driving lessons. Mama, the cutest. The cutest. Market Street. Do an HEB buddy, mama. Do an HEB buddy, y'all. Okay, babies, and we are back home. Now, this is the next morning, but I am going to show you guys just a little bit, well, the shoes that we got from mama that we ended up getting when we went to Kids to Kids. Speak of the kid. Look at this girl. Look at this girl. Anyways, so we got these really cute Converse for her, and I feel like these are so adorable, y'all. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And next we have her Crocs. I don't even have Crocs. That's how you know my baby is spoiled, y'all. I don't even have Crocs. This is so cute. This is the Nauticas. This is adorable. But yeah, y'all, it's the next day, and I'm just gonna feed her because she's like really hungry right now. Breastfeeding mom, trying to re-up, as you know. But yeah, so I'm just gonna feed mama and do a little bit of editing. I hope you guys liked like this switchover vlog that I put together. Just let me know what else you want to see or whatever, or if it's me and mama's vlogs or some videos you got, just comment down below. Do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, y'all, gotta go. Bye.